Today's video is a review of a watch that is a Rolex Datejust alternative. This watch is stunning. It contains lab-grown diamonds, a Rolex-style Jubilee bracelet, and also a durable stainless steel case. This watch is not only stunning and high-end looking, it's also quite affordable as well. It's under $200. This is the timeless classic diamond watch in the color Silver Serenade. Look how gorgeous that is. Tell me this does not look like a Rolex, because look at that shine. We have a sapphire crystal face. We have lab-grown diamonds across the face with a total carat count of 0.15. We have a Rolex-esque fluted bezel. And of course, we have the Jubilee style bracelet as well. This is what the closure looks like. It's quite simple to close. You just press it along here and it snaps in place. There's the word Pascal right here. To release the watch, you just press on either side and it opens up. So that's a little bit different than Rolex. Rolex doesn't have these push closures to open it. You'd have to like literally pry it. So that's a nice feature to have on this one. On the back, it has the words water resistant, stainless steel, and just check out the shine on this watch. It's pretty incredible. This watch is powered by a reliable Swiss movement. It is also waterproof up to 100 meters. So this is how big the watch looks like on my wrist. I haven't adjusted the link band obviously yet. There is an included tool to adjust that. So this could easily fit a men's wrist as well. This particular watch caught my eye because I feel like it's so universal and easy to wear for daily use. I chose the color Silver Serenade because I feel like it's quite versatile, and once again, this is also a unisex watch. Perhaps for men's wrists, this size might be a bit small, but for myself, I like to wear it as a little bit of an oversized look. Look at those 11 diamonds across the face of it. They're just so pretty. Also included in the packaging is this beautiful dark green gift bag. This watch would obviously make a great gift for birthdays, for anniversaries, and the price point is quite fair as well. So I'm going to show you the contents of this box. We have an instruction for use manual. We have a cleaning cloth. We have an international limited warranty card. And most importantly, we have a tool to adjust the length of the bracelet. This will definitely come in handy. So I believe I need to remove 5 links on this. I'm going to show you my Rolex as a comparison piece, but this model obviously is a lot smaller than the Pascal version. So here's what they look like side by side. Once again, this is the 31mm. You can see the Rolex is significantly smaller, but design-wise they're quite similar. Here we have the Jubilee bracelet band. The Pascal version has a bit more shine on the center portion right here, as you can see, and the Rolex has more of like a matte finish. The fluted bezel is quite similar. Of course, the iconic Datejust includes the date in it, which the Pascal version doesn't. As I mentioned before, the closure on these watches are different as well. For the Pascal, you have to press the 2 buttons to release. For the Rolex, you just have to pull it manually, and it opens. Style-wise, I feel like the Pascal might be a bit more trendy, especially for like the oversized look on a woman's wrist, which I actually quite like. I've gotten used to the style of Rolex, and to me, it's like a classic. Look at that shine on both watches. They're quite the statement piece. Then also on the Rolex, we have the mother of pearl face. I want to thank Pascal for gifting me this beautiful watch. This is a brand that I hadn't heard of before, but I'm really excited because I think it's a great gift option. And I love the benefit of gifting a unisex model like this watch because both men and women can use it. You can easily adjust the length of the bracelet with the included tool. If you're interested in this watch, I have a 15% off code. The code is Christina_15. Be sure to use it, and if you buy this watch or any other watch on their site, let me know what you think. With that being said, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below, what is your favorite watch brand or style? With that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.